back to Sensibly Frugal Living and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today we are going to be making wildlife friendly reindeer food. It's pretty simple. I'm going to be using oats and I've got bird seed. If you don't have bird seed but you've got other seeds at home, just Google what's wildlife safe. I do have raisins, but I'm not going to be putting raisins in it as it could be unsafe for some animals. It really is as simple as mixing your seeds and your oats together. I think people add dried cranberries. Don't hold me to that. You could do a little bit of research before you add any dried cranberries to yours. But it's as simple as mixing it all together. Please don't put in any glitter or any kind of sequins, anything that makes it look pretty but is unsafe for hedgehogs, birds, any animals that may be in your garden. I would have just put this in Tupperware if I didn't already have these bags that I made the hot chocolate gifts in. So we picked one of these and my son picked the colour ribbon he wanted just to make it look pretty for Christmas Eve. So we made up a huge batch. Obviously this isn't all for the reindeers. We're doing a little bag for the reindeers and the rest is going to be for the winter for the birds that visit our garden. We used to do fat balls, but the magpies were terrorising any of the other birds and they were eating them within minutes of me putting them out. So we've got a different type of feeder which will hopefully allow all the birds to have some seed, and we're going to put this away and keep it for the winter. So this is what my son's little reindeer food pouch looks like, and we're going to put this by the back door, and on Christmas Eve we're going to spread it outside so the reindeers can find their way to our house. And we're using an old cereal tub to keep the bird seed in for the birds. I'm going to pop it under the sink and just keep refilling the little feeder that's on its way. I got it from Amazon. So basically we've killed two birds with one stone. Excuse the pun, that sounds awful considering what we've been talking about. But we've got reindeer food and we've got bird food. What are your Christmas Eve traditions if you've got any little ones? What do they like doing? Do you do reindeer food and what do you put in yours? I can't believe we're nearly at the big day already. How am I making reindeer food, guys? How is it this day already? 2025 has flown by. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next Vlogmas video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.